Where is my favorite YouTuber PewTronPug? It has been 0.0002 seconds since they upload epic content. I am furious. Come back, Pugman, we need you.
Let's get that crappy intro out of here because we're a revamped channel. Yeah, that's right. I'm changing my content from this to this. What is one thing that we all use? No. Try again. No. Jesus Christ. Read the title. It's microwaves. You may ask, PewTronPug, why make a video on a microwave? And to that I say, look at my other content. Like, was that any better? Let's have a look at these truly fine microwaves. We can start out with this one. Oh, well, I guess there's nothing really cursed here. Seems like a perfectly normal microwave to me. It's definitely not ominous in any way. It's almost like the president himself would be putting pictures of himself in microwaves. That would be so funny, right, guys? That would be hilarious. Well, yeah, guys, that would be hilarious. Now, let's move on to our next microwave. As you may see, it has class. I call it the gamer microwave because it is at utmost gamer status. And of course, we can't forget about Furby microwave, or the microwave that includes home abortion setting. Oh, and we can't forget how this microwave comes with an included Danny DeVito on the side.
Man. But Peter Mugman, I don't want a video about microwaves. I want to see epic gamer content, not hear about outdated jokes over a montage of microwaves.
And to that, I say, off. If I want to make a video about microwaves, I'm gonna make a video about microwaves. You hear me? Text-to-speech bot? Did you get that one? So, yeah, guys. Let me, get you another microwave here. As you can see, here's Teletubby microwave. Nothing special here, just a nice microwave. Teletubby microwave, guys. Hey gamers, it's your boy here, overly loud teenager man. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm kinda switching up my content, and the videos will be a lot more better. Is that even a... Can I edit this out? Can we end the video now? What? Can we stop recording? Anyways, gamers, thanks for watching, and make sure to dislike the crap out of that smash subscribe button, because that's what true gamers do.